Hi, my name is Lisa and I'm a medical esthetician here at Khoobehi and Associates, and today we're going to be talking about Fraxel Clear and Brilliant and PERMEA. Clear and Brilliant and PERMEA uses a Fraxel diode to lay down thousands of little bitty microscopic wounds on the skin. In return, your skin is thinking it's injured, so it starts to repair itself from within. The results are fine lines start to fade, brighter skin, pigment starts to fade, pores start to look smoother. Overall, your skin's texture and tone is glamorous. Clear and Brilliant and PERMEA can be done every 2 to 3 weeks. You can expect to come into the office, be numb for about 30 minutes, and the actual procedure takes about 20 minutes to be done. You kind of look like a little sunburn. Within a day or so, that's gone, and then you'll start to notice your skin becoming brighter and healthier. So if you are looking for clearer, brighter skin with little to no downtime, come into Khoobehi and Associates and have a consultation regarding Clear and Brilliant.